Crash Course, Pennsylvania State, USA. Geolocation and Capital. Pennsylvania, also known as the Keystone State, is located in the Northeastern and Mid-Atlantic regions of the United States. It is bordered by New York, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, West Virginia, Ohio, and Lake Erie. The capital city of Pennsylvania is Harrisburg. Population and economy. With a population of over 12.8 million people, Pennsylvania is the fifth most populous state in the United States. It is known for its diverse economy, with major industries including manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, education, technology, and tourism. Pennsylvania is home to several Fortune 500 companies, including U.S. Steel, Comcast, and PPG Industries. Education. Pennsylvania is renowned for its prestigious educational institutions. It boasts top universities such as the University of Pennsylvania, Carnegie Mellon University, Penn State University, and the University of Pittsburgh. These institutions have contributed significantly to advancements in various fields, including science, technology, business, and the arts. Brief history. Pennsylvania has a rich history dating back to the early colonial period. It was founded by William Penn in 1681 as a haven for religious freedom and tolerance. Pennsylvania played a crucial role in the American Revolution and served as the meeting place for the drafting and signing of the Declaration of Independence in Philadelphia in 1776. The state was also a vital center of industry and innovation during the Industrial Revolution. Culture. Pennsylvania's culture is a vibrant blend of diverse influences. Its cities, such as Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, are known for their rich cultural heritage and contributions to music, art, and cuisine. The state hosts numerous festivals, including the Philadelphia Folk Festival, the Three Rivers Arts Festival in Pittsburgh, and the Mummers Parade in Philadelphia, showcasing its cultural traditions. Politics. Pennsylvania has a diverse political landscape. It is often considered a key battleground state in national elections, with voters from various political affiliations. The state has a long history of political activism and played a crucial role in the women's suffrage movement. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell, located in Philadelphia, is an iconic symbol of American independence. It is known for its famous crack and is a powerful reminder of the country's history and values. 2. The Amish community. Pennsylvania is home to a significant Amish population, particularly in Lancaster County. The Amish are known for their traditional way of life, including horse-drawn buggies and their commitment to simplicity and self-sufficiency. 3. Hershey's chocolate. The town of Hershey, Pennsylvania, is synonymous with chocolate. Milton S. Hershey established the Hershey Chocolate Company in 1894, creating a chocolate empire that has become a beloved brand worldwide. 4. Gettysburg National Military Park. Gettysburg is a historic site where the pivotal Battle of Gettysburg took place during the American Civil War. The battlefield and museum commemorate this significant event in American history. 5. Falling Water. Designed by architect Frank Lloyd Wright, Falling Water is a masterpiece of modern architecture. Located in Mill Run, Pennsylvania, this iconic house is built over a waterfall and seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. 6. Philadelphia Museum of Art. The Philadelphia Museum of Art is one of the largest art museums in the United States. It houses an extensive collection of artwork, including pieces by renowned artists such as Van Gogh, Monet, and Picasso. 7. Pennsylvania Dutch Country. Explore the picturesque landscapes and unique culture of Pennsylvania Dutch Country, known for its rolling farmland, charming towns like Intercourse and Bird in Hand, and traditional Amish cuisine. 8. The Great Allegheny Passage. The Great Allegheny Passage is a scenic trail that stretches Over 150 miles, connecting Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to Cumberland, Maryland. It offers breathtaking views of the Allegheny Mountains and is a popular destination for hiking, biking, and outdoor enthusiasts. 9. Presque Isle State Park, located on Lake Erie. Presque Isle State Park is a stunning natural oasis with sandy beaches, lush forests, and diverse wildlife. It is a paradise for outdoor activities such as swimming, fishing, boating, and birdwatching. 10. Strasburg Railroad. Experience the nostalgia of steam locomotives at the Strasburg Railroad, the oldest continuously operating railroad in the United States. Take a scenic ride through the Amish countryside and immerse yourself in the history of rail travel. 11. Longwood Gardens. Longwood Gardens is a breathtaking horticultural display located in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. It features over 1,000 acres of gardens, woodlands, and meadows, showcasing stunning flowers, fountains, and conservatories. 12. Eastern State Penitentiary. Explore the haunting ruins of the Eastern State Penitentiary in Philadelphia. Once a revolutionary prison system, it now stands as a historic site and museum, offering insight into the world of early American prisons. Summarization. Pennsylvania, with its rich history, diverse culture, and thriving economy, offers a plethora of experiences for visitors. From the bustling streets of Philadelphia to the picturesque landscapes of Pennsylvania Dutch country and the architectural wonders of Fallingwater, the state has something for everyone. Whether you're exploring its vibrant cities, immersing yourself in its cultural heritage, or indulging in outdoor adventures, Pennsylvania captivates with its unique charm and captivating attractions. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Poem. In Pennsylvania's embrace, a story unfolds. Of history and heritage, legends untold. From Liberty Bell's chime to Amish's serenity. Pennsylvania's culture, a tapestry of diversity. From Hershey's sweet treats to Philly's cheesesteak. Indulge in the flavors that Pennsylvania makes. With art museums and gardens, nature's grand design. Pennsylvania's allure, a feast for the mind. The Allegheny Mountains, majestic and grand. Presque Isle's shores, where serenity expands. Through Strasburg's railways and eastern states past. Pennsylvania's attractions, a journey unsurpassed. From Pittsburgh to Philadelphia, cities alive. Where history and modernity strive. Pennsylvania's spirit, a melting pot of dreams. Where past and present coexist, it seems. So come, explore this Keystone State's embrace. Discover its wonders, at your own pace. Pennsylvania's beauty, a treasure to behold. A destination of stories, waiting to be told. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of the East, a state stands tall. Pennsylvania, we heed your call. From the Susquehanna to the Delaware Bay. Your beauty and charm, they light the way. Chorus. Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania? A land of history and diverse culture. From cities bustling with life. To Amish fields, tranquil and pure. Verse 2. From Philadelphia's streets, where freedom rings. To Pittsburgh's steel, where industry sings. The Liberty Bell, a symbol of our nation. In Pennsylvania, we find our inspiration. Chorus. Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania? A land of history and diverse culture. From cities bustling with life. To Amish fields, tranquil and pure. Bridge. From Gettysburg's fields, where heroes fought. To Fallingwater, where art is brought. Longwood Gardens, a floral delight. Pennsylvania's wonders, they shine so bright. Chorus. Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania? A land of history and diverse culture. From cities bustling with life. To Amish fields, tranquil and pure. Outrow. So let us explore, with open eyes, Pennsylvania's treasures, beneath the skies. With every step, a story to be told. In Pennsylvania, a journey unfolds. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.